Hey, this is Andre. I just wanted to just give a salute to Jerry Richardson, the owner of the Carolina Panthers, for what he just donated as far as just some money to help out the victims that were shot this past weekend in Charlotte, South Carolina at a church. We know that the money is never going to bring back a life or whatever, but it just comes to show you that people with a lot of money, they do love to just give out to charity and just help serve as far as serving people. And you know, this was a tragic incident. And again, like I mentioned, $10,000 per family is not going to bring that family member back to life, but at least it helps out with the families as far as covering those costs for the funerals. So again, it just comes down to, like I just said a few moments ago, service. Kind of reminds me in the middle of last year, I was reading a book, 3 Feet from Gold, from Greg Reed. And in that book, he used the character, same name, still used the same name, Greg, as far as he was meeting all these influential and successful people, some millionaires as well. And when he went to go pretty much and ask them questions or interview them, the first thing out of their mouth was, "Hey, how can I serve you?" And just always of service, just willing to just help their fellow human or help their fellow man or woman. So this comes to show you again, like I mentioned, people that are multi-millionaires or billionaires, they don't give money away just to have a tax write-off. It is that good feeling as far as giving back money, just to help out those that are in need. Because that's when it comes down to for those that do have a lot of money too. And society would say otherwise too, but this on a real too, I would pretty much challenge you to go and look up a multi-billionaire or multi-millionaire as far as what charities they give their money to every year. You'd be surprised how many charities that like to donate money as far as just helping out people. Because I remember reading another book from Wallace D. Wallace, from The Science of Getting Rich. When you give more in face value than you receive in cash value, you're going to receive so much more back anyway. But again, it's just about just that service, just giving out to, like I said, people in need, or just helping out your fellow man, helping out your fellow woman or human. So again, that's one thing I would challenge you to do, is as far as going out and looking up multi-millionaires as far as what they like to donate, who they like to donate to yearly. So we just wanted to just, again, salute to Jerry Richardson for what he's done, and just wanted to share that. And we'll see you guys in the next video.